Well, more than 250 years ago, the steam machine was invented. But 25 years ago, James Bond was able to talk to his BMW 750 IL. He used his cell phone, which was in the car, and the great agent Q made it possible that James Bond could talk to his car. Now, our Q is Yannis. I got Yannis with me. Hey, good morning, Yannis. Now, if James Bond can talk to his car and we can talk to the Atro, is this our co-agent or what is this function all about?
Yes, in general it is. So physical AI is a big topic right now, and we try to show our future idea for that. Give the AI control over our Atro robot to control it, and use the LLM for that. And LLMs have the big benefit that they are multimodal and that you can use speech as an input and an output, and also vision. So yeah, it's a nice example.
Okay, now I was also told that we are here also showcasing something brand new, and this is the usage of AI ready for operations, real machine life. Okay, we change the microphone. I just ask you how we can also use AI for operations, and maybe you can give us an insight.
Yes, so this is our TwinCAT CoAgent for operation. And the main focus is addressing service cases on running machines. So we want to assist the user of the machine and the service personnel that they have a direct access to the information of the machine. So you have a chat in your HMI and can ask a question, something like, what's going on with my machine? I have this and this behavior. And then in the background, the agent is doing his work, collecting all the information from the machine and giving you a report with instructions how to solve the problem. And this should be a good solution for the future to optimize.
But that means that in operation, I get right away basically the adjustments or the improvements to avoid the failure, right?
Yes, exactly. So something like warnings, but also when you have an error, you can ask for how to solve the problem, and that you don't need maybe support from our side.
Okay. Now, in order to simplify the programming, we can even start a step earlier. And this is something which we have already showcased last year on the trade show, but I think this is something where we have the beta version now available. So this is CoAgent for programming. So is this something customers can already work with?
Yes, we started with the first beta customers and we are extending the group right now. And as you already mentioned, for this we're focusing on the engineering part. So you can create PLC codes examples, you can create HMIs and configure your TwinCAT project. Something like I/O configuration and other real-time settings, for example. And we want to extend it even more to the engineering right now.
Okay. So this is something that customers can explore already, the function feature of the CoAgent. Now, last but not least, Yannis, you told me that you have created an integration of a special protocol. You call this MCP, the Model Context Protocol, where customers can actually integrate their own work. How helps this actually to standardize the work with KI?
Yes, so as you already mentioned, MCP is a protocol. You can compare it a little bit to a USB-C connector for generative AI. Mm-hmm. So it's a standardized way to access standard software like TwinCAT, for example, but also like ERP systems from customers or databases, something like that. And when they support this interface, then we can easily connect it to CoAgent and get this information. And context is everything for generative AI. And if you get more context about the customer and the project, then the results will get even better.
I think that's so amazing, Yannis. We just talked about this topic maybe 3 years, and there are already products available, betas available, and even standardization is ready. I think this is really amazing what happened in this artificial intelligence field the last 3 years.